Hey folks, my name's Dan and this quick video is on my fitness walker from CitySports. Let's take a look. And there it is, nicely stood up against the wall, neatly stored, which is always really handy, so it's not cluttering up floor space in the house. As you can see, it's super thin. As you can kind of see from that side profile, we've got these really sturdy feet with these kind of nice grips on it, at both on the top, in the middle, and down at the bottom we've actually got wheels, which is really handy. So we've got one wheel just there and another wheel just there, which makes it really easy to wheel around the house. I remember this red switch just here, I'll come back to that. Let's wheel it on out, give you guys a quick demo. There we go. So if you struggle to wheel it, that's absolutely fine. The whole thing only weighs about 15 kilos, which is really handy. You can see we've got this decent length cable, about 1.5 meters. Let's just turn that on. And then that red switch I told you about just under here, turn that on. On comes the display. And that's it, we're good to go. You have got a speaker on the left and the right just here, which is for the built-in Bluetooth, so you can connect your phone to it. If I'm honest, the speakers work, the connection's great, but I have better speakers around the house, so I have not really used it that much. But to be honest, that's not why I bought it. I bought it for a fitness walker, and that aspect is really great. There is no app, there is no Wi-Fi, it is just turn it on and off you go, which is exactly what you need it to do. You've obviously got this display in the middle, which is really nice and big numbers as well. The speed buttons and the on button just here as well. However, I prefer the little remote that comes with it. So let's turn it on and give you a demo. Point it at the thing, there we go. And we're off. And now the thing ranges from 0 to 6 kilometers an hour, so you can obviously pick your speed, goes up in half kilometer increments. So let's go up, 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3 kilometers. Obviously, the faster you go, the louder it does get, but it's not an invasive loud, it's actually quite quiet on the whole for what it is, which I really like. So now we're just cruising at 3 kilometers an hour, which is nice. There's your speed right there. And you can see the display just keeps cycling, 1 calorie, 34, 35 seconds, 3 meters, 30 meters. So yeah, it just keeps cycling through basically. You can just keep going, whether you're stood at your desk or in front of the TV or just chilling. My wife likes to use this as a gym warm-up. I like to use it to get my step count in when I struggle to get out of the house in the day. Overall, yeah, it's really great. As soon as you're done, just hit that off button. And you can see the speed just slowing down. Nice and safe, happy days. It's a great product, not had any issues. Hope this helps.